Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the usual videos you see on my channel. Usually there are more makeup tutorials, some product reviews and lipstick swatches kind of videos where they are in our channel. So I thought why not I'll deviate from the usual topic and do jewelry haul for you. And I have got quite a lot of collection from this year. So all the earrings I'm going to be showcasing today is from online. So I'll just give the all the product details and where you can buy and all the details down below in the description box. You can go and check out my description box and click the direct link where you can buy the earrings which I'm going to be showing you now. So this is one of the earrings I'm wearing. This is from uh, Beatnik. I have few of the earrings from Beatnik. I'll mention the website name and the shopping link down in the description bar also. So first site where I got some of absolute beautiful earrings is from Beatnik. So I have like quite a lot of earrings from Beatnik. So this is one of the earrings which I got from Beatnik. This is such a beautiful jamka, silver oxidized jamka with purple pearls. Pearl should be white, right? I don't know. With purple beads, I would say. I just love the earrings. I wore this just because it just matched my lipstick today. So there's no particular order. I just love all the earrings which I'm going to be showing you today. So this is one of the most favorite. Also, it matched my lipstick, so I had to wear this for the intro. So this is such a beautiful earring. I just love the earring. It makes such a statement. You can wear only this earring without any necklace or with a plain black dress or even with a purple outfit. It would look absolutely beautiful. Also they have different shades, I mean different colors instead of this purple. You can go and check them out. I just love this purple. So this is the second earring from Beatnik as well. This is a very beautiful black metal with white stones earring with pearl danglings. I love the size of it. It's absolutely perfect for any parties or weddings. It goes absolutely well with all Indian outfits. So I just love this earring. So this is the third earring from Beatnik. You must have seen me wearing this earring in one of my recent makeup videos. So I just love it. This one goes out of stock really soon. If you want this statement piece, you should go and grab it right now. So please don't wait. This is such a statement piece with lots of pearls hanging, and I just love this earring. This is one of the first earring I got from this site. You must visit Beatnik because this is, by the way, this is not at all a sponsored video or promotional video. It is just my thought and I just love this. You can wear it for sari or kurti or any Indian outfits. This goes absolutely well. This is the fourth earring I got from Beatnik again. This is a silver earring with lots of metal tassels hanging all around, and that makes it so beautiful. I just love this earring. If you're like me, you can wear this for every day. I'm just loving this with my kurtis, my western wears, and also for saris. I just love this one. So this is the earring I got again from Beatnik. It's not a peacock. It's I think Anna Paravai with black and silver danglings. I just love how it looks, and it makes a cute little statement without being over the top. So this is another cute Anna Paravai I got. So I got this one again. I feel this is so cute. It goes so well with your kurtas, again with any Indian wears. I'm just loving this cute earring. It's all silver. So this is the last one from Beatnik. This is the one and only set I got from Beatnik. A silver oxidized choker with a black rope in it and a matching earring. It looks so simple but so elegant. I just love how it looks. This is how the choker looks. By the way, all the jewelries are really good quality, guys. I would say I have to mention this. They are all good quality, not at all cheap looking. So this one is from Pulchhadi. They have like a variety of collections. I have seen so many of them and I have bought so many of them earlier, which are not in stock right now. So you can go and check them out for that. So this earring I got it couple of days before, and it's such a pretty, quite a heavy earring with pearl dangles. It looks absolutely beautiful with all your Indian outfits. Especially imagine this with a white sari, white pattu sari, and this will make a statement on its own. So I have got quite a lot of small earrings, not very small but like very lightweight and everyday wear kind of earrings from Myntra. So the buying links all will be in the description box. The price, the buying links all will be in the description box down below. So I'll just quickly go through all the earrings which I got from Myntra. ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட். இன்னைக்கு வீடியோக்கு அவ்வளோதான். That was a quick hurry burry video at the last. Anyways, all the products which I have shown today will be mentioned in the description box down below. Please don't comment and ask me where you got this, why you got this, what's the price. Everything will be in the description box. Just click the description box and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Also, if you like more of these kind of videos, please like the button, please like the thumbs up button. So that's it. Bye bye.